Residents, families, friends, volunteers, and visitors, you may have noticed new signs around our facilities that say enhanced barrier precautions and staff wearing gowns and gloves more often. We're doing this based on a recommendation from the Center of Disease Control and Prevention to protect our residents and staff from germs that can cause serious infections that are hard to treat. You may have heard of these germs. They're called multi-drug resistant organisms, or MDROs, in the news. Studies have shown that more than 50% of nursing home residents have these germs on their body, especially in places where the skin is broken, such as wounds or insertion sites of medical devices like feeding tubes. Most of the time, people never know that they're carrying these germs, but under certain conditions, they can enter the body and cause a serious infection. Fortunately, there are many things we can do to keep these germs from spreading, but we need your help. Two important things that we can do are cleaning our hands. Alcohol-based sanitizer is known that they can kill these germs and keep us from spreading them on our hands. This is why we remind you and your visitors to frequently clean your hands. Using gowns and gloves. Since we can't wash our clothes between caring for residents, gowns and gloves help keep these germs from getting on our clothes and spreading to other residents when we are having close contact with the residents. This is why you might see us wearing a gown and gloves when we're performing transfers or other activities involving a lot of contact with the resident. Just because we're wearing a gown and gloves doesn't mean that that resident is carrying one of those germs. We also wear them to protect residents who might be more vulnerable to developing a serious infection if they were exposed to these germs. We will also wear them if we expect a care activity to be messy, like if we're changing and dressing on a wound. To support these practices, you will see more alcohol-based hand sanitizer dispensers, carts to hold clean gowns and gloves, and trash cans so that we can change our gowns and gloves between residents. You will also see more signs to help remind the staff when they should be wearing gowns and gloves. We are always happy to answer any questions you might have about actions we are taking to protect our residents and staff, and we appreciate your support. Thank you.